Of Cooking with Gabe, and today we're making breakfast. Da-da, making breakfast. Da-da. It is almost 12, but we're still making breakfast. So I'm gonna throw some oil in there, which I already did, and it's gonna heat up, which is already happening because, you know, I'm hungry. So right here we have our awesome air fryer. I don't know if you ever had bacon in it, but that's what we're gonna cook it in today. Bacon. Do 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 do. We're gonna push the which one was it? The French fry button, I believe, because it doesn't have bacon on there. Oh, there we go. I got it to work. Making bacon. Next, we're gonna grab a couple of eggs, and then we're gonna throw them in here. Yeah, like magic. Haha, that looks great. Getting a spatula because I need one. Wow, that only took about like 5 seconds. We're just gonna splash the oil on top of it because we want the top cooked too. And I don't want to flip it because, well, frankly, I don't want my yolks to pop. Ain't no Rice Krispies. Yolks ain't supposed to snap, crackle, pop. I decided to get a spoon instead. Yum! Let's get them out of there, because that was really quick. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah. Next, we're going to grab some sausage links. They're frozen. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ow. Making bacon. Checking on the bacon. Cooking sausages. Making breakfast. Da, da, da. I missed. Where's the toaster? I want toast. Toast. There's no toaster over here. What's in here? There wasn't a toaster in there. I can't find the toaster. I want toast. Checking on the bacon. While we're waiting for literally everything else, let's slap some salt on these bad boys. That was a bit much. That's okay, I'll mix it in. I don't know where the toaster is, so I'm gonna improvise. Yep, throwing it in with the bacon. Four, five. It had a counter on there just a second ago. Oh, there it goes. Sausages are looking good. Oh wait, the toast! Ow, ow. Yeah. So this actually works a lot better than I thought it would. Not bad. Not bad at all. I threw it back in there. I wanted them to be more golden brown. That looks much, much better. Let's butter it. That looks good. Yep. Time for the other one. Yeah. Smooth. Just like butter. Got the butter toast done. We got the eggs. The sausages are done too. Aw, yeah. Don't forget to cut the stove off. I dropped them. There we go. Alright. And oh yeah, you want some, don't you? Yeah. And the bacon is done. Ooh, look at that. Nice and crispy, baby. Oh man. That's all of it. And there you have it. A nice breakfast.